Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. I am going to break the ice right away. I have a little bit of a hangover, so we're gonna keep it short today and I'm gonna get right into the charts. It is a little bit crazy right now. As you can see, we're looking at BTC USD pair on the hourly, and I want to only take the small time frames today because that's where the action is. We pumped up. We had this crazy weird price action here yesterday, which I updated you on Twitter, show you later. Went to the golden pocket right here. That was let me extend this a little bit, then it's a little bit more clear, like this. So that was around 39,600, 39,700. We went up there, went down exactly to the 38.2, and now we're going back up there again. And yesterday I updated you on Twitter, both on ETH and on BTC, that we're forming a pattern. This one was for ETH. On a 15-minute that we're creating a falling wedge. For BTC we were creating this channel, and then later on for ETH we were breaking out of this falling wedge. So this is the reason why it's important that you also follow me on Twitter, because during the day I also put out these kinds of alerts or signals or whatever I see in the chart. So if you like this kinds of stuff, then definitely follow me there and check that out a few times per day. This is something we were creating also yesterday for BTC on the 1 hour, and I actually want to show you that. So we are going to zoom in a little bit. Sorry, I also lost my voice yesterday a little bit. And there we see that we're creating this right here. So that was then our diamond pattern, and yeah, these things are not specifically bullish or bearish. They can break out either side, but the breakout, of course, is always the total white of the thing. So put it right here at the breakout, and you can see that it took some time, but we reached the target. So also congratulations if you took that trade. I didn't take it because I find the price action here a little bit weak, but you see, if you would have taken it, then it would have hit the target perfectly. Now there's something else that I'm now looking at, because we have a wild price action. Matter of fact, if I zoom in on the 15-minute, we talked about this yesterday, going up, then right away going down, and that took some time before we recovered completely. Then we were going down again, and suddenly, surprise, surprise, going completely up. Wait, let me even zoom in a little bit. Going up, then going down, and now going up again, and now we're getting rejected again. These are really crazy price moves. This was a bit more than 2%. This pump up was a little bit more than 3.5%. Then we have the dump down, which was also 3%. And then now we have the pump up, which was 2.7%, and now we're going low. This whole thing, you know what, let's measure it from here. It's all within 2 hours. So if you traded that from top to bottom, then you already have an amazing trading day. You would say, oh, Ray, how could you not guess the top and the bottom on this structure? Well, it is a lot of volatility, but something that I've seen here on the hourly. If you would draw this exactly, is it, or kind of like this, yeah, then you would see that actually in the last day or two we are just right here in this channel, and we're just trading higher and lower. So yeah, if you spotted this channel, then happy days, and then you could have picked the tops and the bottoms absolutely perfectly. Look at this top, bottom. Yes, we have a wick down, but the hourly closes perfectly. This one also closes perfectly after it went all the way up. I mean, look at that candle, that's crazy. And now we are again exactly touching the top of this channel. So yeah, of course it at some point will break the channel, but so far this has been absolutely perfect. And for ETH it's actually the same story. Also, let me take out the fib, but I also here want to show you that I actually exactly here, look at that golden pocket, a retest 38.2. Man, if I didn't go drinking last night, then I would have taken these trades now this morning, and I would have made bank. My lordy. So yeah, this is also just played out perfectly, and then you can see how strong TA actually is, and if you have proper tools, you know, keep stuff simple, you know how to use a FIB or support resistance, that you already are quite far along the way when it comes down to being a profitable trader. This is also something I want to show you, also exactly channel. Let's put this here, and this one is somewhere here. So yeah, as you can see, as you can see right here, also perfect spots. Here one, here's then of course the start, top, bottom, top, bottom. Also on this candle, all the way up, all the way down on the price action right now going up again. So also here, happy days. The only thing is now that since it is being created, this will most likely not continue for another 1, 2, 3 days. So expect us to break out or break down anytime soon. But volatility is the name of the game, absolutely. Here I also uploaded the video yesterday and said lots of volatility that happened yesterday, and that will continue today and maybe even further on. So yeah, you'll see these crazy spikes up and down. Try to find yourself like channel support, resistance, and the FIB levels. Then you're already quite far when it comes down to taking trades and you know, entering, exiting, taking your profits. I think we will stay around these price levels for quite some time, because actually if you zoom out here for BTC and a 4-hourly, then you can see they were just actually already for a long time. I just captured here, this is now 18 days within a range of 12%, so not really going higher, not really going lower. But if you, like I said, if you can draw these channels and the FIBs and everything, man, you're already a long way. And it's also interesting to see is that it still bounces off these support and resistance lines right here that we draw that already came in play for such a long time. We talked this over and over, so I'm not going to repeat myself, but you see that this kind of stuff, even after weeks or months, is still in play, are still support and resistance, because if you zoom out, you can also exactly see where we bounced off and where we got rejected. So trust me people, this kind of stuff just works, especially when you draw the lines a little bit further. Again, really would advise you to follow me on Twitter. The link is in the description. I post there multiple times a day. I just posted this, that the Central African Republic has become the second country in the world to accept Bitcoin after El Salvador. So that is great news. This is actually the kind of stuff that you need for mass adoption. And of course, in most of these countries, they're on their ass when it comes down to the economy and sometimes inflation or politics or whatever. But the thing is, if these kind of small countries which quote unquote have nothing to lose start to adopt Bitcoin, and then you will maybe see down the line 1, 2, 3 years from now that they're suddenly very successful. Bigger countries who have more fat on the bones, they know that they cannot stay behind. So it starts off with these smaller countries, but then I think at a certain point it will have a rollover effect, a domino effect, and then more countries with also more weight and skin in the game will follow. So absolutely great news. And again, on these trades and everything, I will try to do this as much as I can to keep you guys updated. And like I said also in yesterday's video, lots of volatility, that is the name of the game right now. Alright guys, that will be it for now. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free, of course, to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Links you find in the description. Also in the description you find a handful of affiliate links. Feel free to check that out. Thank you guys so much. See you next one. Bye bye.